Instead of marking down new elements, it can be wise to use pseudo-elements that sort of exist around the element but don't at the same time. Which one should be explained before and which one after? That the before element by default exists before the element, and the after element exists after the element.
Wow.
Don't let the double colon scare you. That is just for readability and to differentiate elements from classes. They both need a content property to display themselves, which can be useful for adding markers, icons, and more. By using positioning and c-index, their differences become completely redundant, like having two pseudo-tools at your disposal, being the same but different at the same time. They help us craft complex icons like the burger icon and animate it to our liking. You can also throw in pseudo-classes like the hover effect to create tooltips.
Before